Good day viewers! For today's video, pupunta tayo ng SM Mall of Asia gamit ang aking Seagull. Roughly around 55 to 60 kilometers ang balikan mula sa amin hanggang Mall of Asia. Yung ganitong daily distance ang ideal mostly sa mga karamihan ng mga driver ngayon. So ito ang magandang basis sa inyo. So from bahay, start tayo ng 73% papunta sa Mall of Asia.
The horizon pulls me closer, a whisper in the wind. The map is blank before me. Where do I begin? No fear of what's uncertain.
Right now we are in cruise control tayo 70. So okay.
No feels like home. With every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath our skin. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them.
So ngayon nasa North Parking Building na tayo na MOA. Patayin ko lang muna yung aircon. So ang total kilometers natin ay 27 kilometers. Ang ginamit nating kilowatts ay 2.9. Tapos 2.9 times 14 Meralco rate equals 40 pesos. Hindi ako nakikipag-agawan sa free charging.
Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless sea. Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless sea.
So dito pauwi na tayo starting at 63%.
Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Come drift with me.
A few moments later.
Ito na, nasa bahay na tayo. So tingnan natin. From 63% kanina, ngayon 54%. So tingnan natin ang consumption. Lapit natin. Ang labo. Sige. Basahin ko na lang. 26.4 kilometers mileage, 2.9 kilowatt per hour din. Driving time 1 hour. So same lang kanina. Report time. So total mileage natin ay 53.4 kilometers. Total kilowatt use 5.9. So 5.9 times 14 Meralco rate equals 82.6 pesos. Yun ang ginamit natin for today. So 82.6 pesos lang for 53.4 kilometers. Thank you for watching.